The federal government requires employers to provide a history of every employee's job status and health insurance coverage throughout the year. This information must be provided using certain codes. Since your company may have different terms internally to describe this information, ACH Act has made it easy for you to map your internal codes to the standard IRS codes. Rather than changing your data, use our data mapping tools to create a list of internal codes and map them to the corresponding standard codes. As ACH Act processes your employee and dependent data, we will translate your internal codes to the appropriate standard code and report that information to the IRS. These mappings are necessary for ACH Act to properly report your employee information to the IRS. So it is critical that you complete all of the mapping fields and list all relevant codes used within your data. Any unrecognized codes may result in a mapping error. To add a new code, click the blue Add button. To edit an existing entry, use the pencil icon. To completely delete a code, use the trash can icon. Please be aware that when editing or deleting an existing entry that you may cause errors to your data next time you try to upload. The recommendation from ACH Act is that you add a new code every time. You can have multiple employer codes assigned to each standard IRS code, but no more than one standard IRS code can be assigned to a single designated employer code. If you attempt to enter an employer code already in use, you will receive the error, "Codename already exists." If you have already uploaded your data and you need to correct your data mapping rather than editing the existing code that has been already used, please add a new code. You may receive the error, "You cannot edit this mapping code since it has already been used in an employee batch upload file."